How to fix invalid _kernel_handle BSOD error 0x00000093. To fix invalid _kernel_handle BSOD error 0x00000093, try 1. Launch the startup repair in advanced recovery environment under Windows 10 safe mode. 2. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Check your system's hard drive by running chkdsk/rc command as admin. 4. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic application. And replace your RAM if needed.